What up, everybody? Good morning. Let's see. Boom. Let's get live on TikTok, and then we're ready to rock and roll. Beautiful day yesterday. Caught a nice little scalp on Tesla. But Bristol Myers, baby. Swing trade started printing. Never doubt the swings. Never, ever, ever. Good morning. What do we got? Good morning, Hassan, Don, GIU, another Don, Christian, Chuck, everybody else who's joined so far. Good morning. All right, let's actually hold on. There we go. JD, what's up? All right, so I'm gonna start off real quick. Take a look at the economic calendar, see what we got. I know we got GDP tomorrow. Yeah, we actually have a lot tomorrow. GDP, bunch of Fed speakers tomorrow. I'm gonna go off on a limb and say tomorrow is not going to be a good day to trade. I don't even know if I'm actually gonna sit here, to be honest with you, because there's Fed speakers from 9 to 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. And then we have GDP second revision as well. So tomorrow should definitely be interesting. Not going to be an ideal day to trade. I will say that. So again, I don't even know if I'm going to stay here. We'll see. But yeah, let's hop right into it. How'd everybody do yesterday? Again, if you guys were here with the live day trading yesterday, we caught a nice little Tesla trade. It wasn't an amazing trade, I will say that, but it was a setup I liked. It was worth the risk or reward. Break above this 255 level. We came back, we retested it, we got that long, and then we caught it up in a 257. Again, not amazing, but we got a couple trims, stopped out the rest towards break even. Thankfully we did, because it started tanking. So that was everything with Tesla. And then we had this Bristol Myers swing. Right? We talked about this one a lot. We got in right here. Yeah, we had to sit through a little bit of drawdown, but it started paying yesterday. We're up 50% now. So I'm looking for us to crack this 5120. Got a couple trims off yesterday. If we crack 5120, we got room. So beautiful, beautiful swing. I was a little heavy on that too. So I'll take it. I will take it. All right, start with ES. And 1 second. 1 second. All right. Let's get it. All right. So, still in consolidation. I mean, ideally, what we need to do is crack above this 5,800 on ES. If we do that, that's ideally what I would like to see for continuation. So we're still in the 2-hour squeeze. I still want to keep an eye on that. We're still in the 4-hour squeeze. Definitely want to continue to keep an eye on that. We are holding the structure. So I think, yeah, if we can crack this 5,800 or 5,797, come back and retest it, that's definitely something I would be willing to watch. Plus, I mean, we kind of have like an ascending triangle going on here. How do we want to draw this? Something like that. But yeah, I mean, that's the ideal game plan. Get above here, look for a continuation. Maybe be willing to take the breakout depending on how strong it is. But the ideal scenario would be break, retest, look for longs, continuation up, stop right below there. So that's what I'm going to watch on ES. Not really too interested in the downside, to be honest with you. Maybe if we like broke this trend line flush and closed below it on a 4-hour. But I will say right now I am very biased to the upside, especially if we get 50 or crack a 5798, 5800 level. So it's really it on ES. That is all-time highs as well. So at that point, it's like it's gonna push. There's nowhere we could say that this thing's gonna reject until we start talking about SPX levels. So 127, 1618. 59.42 is really the level I would watch. Use another extension from here to here. It doesn't really, that 5802 doesn't really matter. So, yeah, after that, gap fill all the way up into here. That's what we got. Yep, continuation to the upside. So that's everything on ES. Head on over to SPY. Good morning, everybody. SPY, it's going to be the same thing. Watch that 4-hour squeeze. Look for us to get above 571.4. Look for the continuation back up to the highs, and then we can look for even more continuation after that. Again, really not too interested in the downside. 4-hour structure looks really, really good. So that's what I'm going to watch. That's everything on SPY. On over to NQ. Same thing, 4-hour structure. Ideally with NQ though, would like to see us get above 254.75. Remember this, that's supply zone that we're kind of just sitting in right now. So we already took a lot of the orders out. I would just like to see us get above 20254. And then we can look for continuation. I mean, in the meantime, I will see what happens right here. But just like a cleaner breakout level would be the break above this. So keep that in mind. But yeah, I will watch that. I don't really have like a good bounce level right now. So that's everything on NQ. Head on over to QQQ. Also, feel free to ask questions if you guys got them. All right, QQQ. Watch the 4-hour squeeze. Ideally, get above 48623. Gonna have to wait for NQ to break the level as well, but then we have gap entry over here, 488.8. Get above there, 493. That comes from the daily time frame. Here to here. So it's everything I'm watching. NQ, ES, SPY, QQQ, SPX. Really what we're gonna watch is 5800, 5700. That's about it. Get above 5733. Look for more upside on SPX. Perfect. All right. So that's everything as far as the S&Ps and NASDAQ. Let's take a quick look at all these individuals, see what we're liking and what we're not liking, and then we'll go from there. Apple. We'll get to Google here in a second. Costco looks really good. The only issue is they have earnings, I think, tomorrow. Remember, it's pretty rare that I use basic support and resistance. It's mainly supply and demand and Fibonacci is how I find my levels. Let's see, Apple. I mean, we kind of have like a wedge right here, but it's not like my favorite. So, I mean, if you want to watch it, you can. Just got to get above the wedge. Maybe it comes into play tomorrow, post GDP, and then we could watch it. So maybe Apple tomorrow. We'll see. AMD. Still holding that 4-hour structure. Nah, nothing on AMD. Amazon is still very, very strong. Doesn't have much resistance till we get back up into all-time highs. Slight little pullback yesterday. Maybe Amazon for upside. It really depends on if we see anything else that we like. But maybe just an uptrend entry here. We'll see. Boeing definitely don't care about. Coin don't care about. Google. It might form an inverse head and shoulders. shoulder, head. Maybe we come up, pop back down, shoulder number 2. Maybe we're about to form shoulder number 2. But, oh, I gotta sneeze. There we go. Okay. But as far as like everything else on Google, I mean, really not too interested. Maybe we continue to build structure on the 4-hour with that squeeze, but yeah, it's not my favorite, I will say that. But there is possibility we could do an inverse head and shoulder on the daily. IWM still struggling to break that trend line. Let's see. Real quick, everybody, make sure you guys hit that like button if you're in the YouTube live stream. It would be greatly appreciated. Everybody in the TikTok, make sure you guys are following as well. Go live every single morning around 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, plus periodically throughout the week do some live day trading. We did live day trading yesterday. Bought a nice little trade on Tesla, answered questions for you guys, nice little market commentary throughout the day. So if you guys are not subscribed, not following, I don't know what to tell you. You're missing out. But yeah, IWM, personally nothing. Meta, still very interested if we got down to 544. It's a little far away. It's about like 20 bucks away, so we're gonna have to wait for that. Set an alert, we'll wait. Microsoft. Don't care about. Nvidia. Nice little gap up. Actually doesn't look too bad if we broke above that high. So possibly if we get above here. It's pre-market high. I use sink or swim, but it's not going to teach you how to day trade. My YouTube channel will teach you how to day trade, though, for sure. Random trades on YouTube. Hop in. QQQ don't care about, or not. Oh my god, we already did QQQ. Starbucks don't care about, and then Tesla. Let's see. All right, so I'll be completely honest with you. These setups are kind of ass today. Not gonna lie. I feel like our best opportunity for a trade is going to be SPY and ES if it breaks above the high at 5,800. But other than that, these setups be booty. Possibly Amazon, possibly Nvidia. But the only thing I really, really like is ES and SPY. So, yeah. do with that information as you please. For real. I mean, Apple, again, it could come into play today. It could come into play tomorrow post GDP, but we do have that 4-hour wedge. It's just the breakout now is like a little far away. So I feel like if we consolidate for a little longer, we should break out tomorrow morning or in the pre-market. Yeah, these setups be booty. And again, everybody in TikTok, make sure you guys are following. I can guarantee not all of you are. I go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, and periodically do live day trading throughout the week. All right, let's type up this watch list. Be 100% honest with you guys. Booty price action. All right. All right, so I think we're gonna do ES. Oh my god, my dog has her chicken. Thank you for the subscribe. All right, ES. And yeah, we do have GDP tomorrow, so I mean the market could be slow, but we'll see. We are in that 4-hour supply zone on NQ. It's just we've already taken out a lot of the orders. So ideally would like to see us break above that high. Right, yes, break above 57.98 for continuation. Either a high risk breakout or retest of the level. Longs, also watching 4-hour structure with squeeze and Q. Thank you for the donation, JD, as always. My man always coming through on clutch. Q. Break above. I do appreciate it, though. We go get some sushi today. 4.75 for continuation. Also watching 4-hour structure with squeeze. All right, so we got ES and Q. Would you consider those two recent candles as possible supply? No. You gotta have a small green candle and then a very large, aggressive flush down for it to be considered supply. And then vice versa for demand. Oh, my man Potter, what's up, bro? Hey, I followed you on your main account. Give me my follow back. I'll be waiting. ES and Q, and then let's see, possibly Amazon. I'm a dog found her pig. All right. Like I said, I mean, maybe something on Amazon, maybe just an uptrend entry, but it's not my favorite. We can watch Nvidia though. Let's watch Nvidia. See if we crack above this 121.85. Hold it. Possibly look for long entries. Nvidia. Looking for possible uptrend entries. Let's see if NQ does. I don't know if it does, to be honest with you. I'm mainly watching that 4-hour. Yeah, so I mean, I would consider this demand. The only issue is it's so large that I would have only watched the beginning of the zone. Pause. It's such a big demand zone, I would only watch the beginning of the zone. So, since we already hit the beginning, personally wouldn't be watching this entire zone for amounts. To me, the 4-hour looks the best. So, that's what I'm going to watch. See if we get that break. All right. Let's get these screenshots. So, yes. Sorry if you hear my dog playing with her toy. Yes. Boom. And Q. What do you guys think? Should we do some live day trading today or what? What you thinking? Yes or no? Q video. Yeah, I mean, it was a decent trade. I took what the market gave me. It wasn't like amazing, but still made some lunch money. The main winner was BMY. Still have half my position on that BMY, but I was up like 1.6K before I started trimming. So I still have a decent bit open. Not bad. It's like 1.6, 1.7, something like that. Yeah. Making some live day trading. I'm with it. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed with the bell notifications on. Everybody on TikTok, make sure you're following. Head on over to my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. The link is in my bio. Have over 1,100 videos teach you guys on how to trade for completely free over there. So tap in. And yeah, we'll do some live day trading over there here in a little bit. Like 30, 40 minutes. Come tap into the YouTube fam. All right, so ES, NQ, NVIDIA. I'm going to buy setups. Low-key. And remember, we do have GDP's second revision tomorrow. The market could be a little slow. Plus, we have like, what did I say, 6 or 7 Fed speakers, which is quite a lot. So, could be slow for that reason, just in anticipation of that. My dog's literally going from toy to toy. I don't know if you guys can hear it. All right. Let's give this to the YouTube channel members so you guys got the watch list. Thank you for the subscribe, Tyler. Greatly appreciate it. The live training's here on this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel. Nowhere else. All right. Okay. Let's give you guys this watch list, and then we're ready to rock and roll. Again, I'll be live around like 9:15, 9:20. So in about 35, 40 minutes, I'll be live again for some live day trading. So, as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you're not careful. So, as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. So, here's yes. Here's NQ. And here is NVIDIA. Give everybody a couple more minutes. Write that down, screenshot it. In the meantime, any questions you guys got? Any stocks you want me to take a very quick look at? Yes, sir. They be calling me B-Rabbit. Let's also look for more upside today on that BMY. Welcome to the YouTube channel member squad. Greatly appreciate it. If you want to join Team Bull, just because I'll periodically do live day trading throughout the week, it's not an everyday thing. Mainly, I'll trade live in Team Bull, put all my swing trades in there. So if you want to join that, there's a link on my beacons. So if you want to hop in Team Bull, here's the link for that. Boom. Again, Costco, it looks good. The only issue is we have earnings. What is it, tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow. So you're gonna have to wait for that. It has a very nice daily structure. Just you can't predict earnings. Come join the squad, Chuck. Yeah, I see that a video is breaking that level. I'll watch it for uptrends. Intel get above here. Look for more upside into here. Yeah, watch the gap fill. We did SPY, gave the levels. Perfect. Well, like I said, I'll be live again here in about 30 minutes. Let's run it up and talk to everybody then. Make sure you're subscribed, follow on TikTok, all that good stuff. Tune back in 30, 40 minutes.